sorry guys, I had to do a part 3 for this. This is part 3. It's not gonna be long. It's gonna be like fluff. It's probably just gonna be like something like a minute or so. A minute. Yeah, this is part 3.
It's gonna get harder from here.
And it's just gonna get harder from here. Thank you for notifying me. That you just gave me a notification. Yes, we got the walk place. So now we don't have the shell. What? Wait, what? You like can't. Why? Why did I try and do this? I don't know if this is possible, but I think it's possible. Let me hide. And then I can... Yeah, I love that fact where you just put it up and it's like... Okay.
It's just gonna get harder
From here. Yeah, I know me. I'm the one who created this. I should know. In fact, I do know. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's not even hitting me. Okay, it'll hit me then. Let's go through the door and see where we are. Ah, there we go. Perfect. We're obviously gonna go this. Says no. I say yes! Ha! Oh, what? I forgot about that. I forgot I do tricks like that. Oh, yeah. Okay, so that was the way you're supposed to. I will end the video now. It was like 2 minutes. We can play in this 2 minutes. Goodbye. Remember to watch part 1 and part 2. They should be in one of those, if that corner or the opposite corner to that. Not down there. Like there, exactly there, or like farther over there. Goodbye.